seen some filming locations. We will see a handful of them later on in our tour as well. And now we've got that post-production, which we have our digital effects CGI. Maybe they're going on in, cleaning up some of those sounds. And there you go. That is the complete filming package. But it looks like it's a little foggy and dense up ahead.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Yes, hold on to your butts, everyone. From one island to another, we are in Jurassic Park. When we said the movie. Go, John Williams. Thank you so much. The props and picture cars that you see around us are from the original Jurassic Park trilogy. Now, they seem as if they're made out of a sturdy type of metal, but they're actually just painted pieces of plywood. So we got our props, picture. Whoa, 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 whoa! Down, down! Goodness, I am so sorry. Watch the one on the left. Watch it. Yeah, I saw that in cartoon. Watch them. They are feisty. Usually, it's like that one lately. So if you are in the line of fire, I am so sorry. They probably shoot right through those plywood cages.